Hello. First of all, what we'll want to do is open Access 2010. I usually keep it on my desktop for easy access. Double click on it and it should open right up for you. Since we don't have a database formed, what we'll do is come over here to the blank database on the file page. Just hit the file tab on your ribbon and double click on blank database. What that will do is open up a new database for you. As you can see, clicking on the blank database has already formed a new table for us. What we'll do with that is save it and rename it. Just to make it quick, I'll just name it Chad's table. Then we'll click OK. As you can see, we got a new table named Chad's table. Close that. OK, click on it. And the next thing we'll want to do is create a form. In order to create a form, come up here to Form, click on it, and as you can see it says Chad's table, but we don't want our form to be Chad's table. So what you'll do is come over here and close out the form, and it'll ask you, do you want to save changes to the design of form Chad's table? Say yes, because you want to still keep the design, you just want to change the name. So click yes, and as you can see, it has a save as that comes up. Just highlight the table and rename it form and click OK. And as you can see in the navigation panel, we now have a table and a form. Thank you for watching my first section. Stay tuned for the next section. We'll be creating a report and also creating a simple query. Thanks for watching. Hello, and welcome to the second part of my Access 2010 presentation. Where we left off before, we were making tables and a form. In this section, we will be making a report and a query. Go ahead and open up your same database that you had before you made in the last section. Go ahead and click on Chad's table in the navigation panel. Go to Create, and then what you want to click on is Report Wizard. And as you can see, we haven't really done much in this database yet, so all we have for available fields is the ID field. Just make sure that's highlighted and click on the arrow button, which will bring it over to the selected fields. Hit your next button, and here you can just leave this alone. Usually ascending will do until you want to come back and do something with it later, so just hit the next button on that. And I think we will leave this landscape for orientation. Layout, you'll probably want tabular. And yeah, it's always good to adjust the fields so all fields fit on a page. Hit the next button. And we don't want to name this Chad's table since it isn't a table, it's a report. So just to highlight the table part and type in report. Might need a little space in between there though. And as you come down here, that's all the information the wizard needs to create your report. Do you want to preview the report or modify the report's design? You'll have two radio buttons on here, and usually you want to preview it and look at it before you do anything. So what we'll do is hit the finish button, and our report should come up. And there it is. Alright, now that we have created a report, we can close that out. And as you can see, it's over here in your navigation panel. The next thing we'll want to do is create a simple query. And again, you want to be on your table. And then you want to come up in the ribbon, in the Create ribbon, and click on Query Wizard. Say that 3 times fast. Query Wizard. And what we'll want to do here is create a simple query. So you'll want this top one in the list highlighted. Click OK. And again, we haven't done much in this database, so we don't have much for fields. All we have is the ID field. So make sure that is highlighted, click the arrow, and it should move it over to the selected fields. Click on the next button. And usually I just name this Chad's query. You can take out the table. Well, I guess it is, and again, you can name it table query too, because it actually is a query for the table. And again, it'll ask us, that's all the information the wizard needs to create your query. Do you want to open the query or modify the query's design? Usually, again, you want to take a look at it, so just leave it on the radio button on, open the query to view the information. Come down to the bottom right and click Finish. And as you can see, Chad's table query has opened up, and it is also over here in the navigation panel. Well, this is the end of my presentation. I hope you got something out of it and it was enjoyable. Thanks for watching.